Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Let's begin our shared Robert Li blockchain theory. Today, we will talk about three topics. The first topic is about a very interesting formula about the blockchain. Some friend gave me a very interesting formula. The formula is the future equal to the artificial intelligence plus Internet of Things plus big data and multiplied by blockchain. This is very interesting. The second topic about JP Morgan. JP Morgan launched the first bank-backed cryptocurrency. This is a very important news to many blockchain ecosystem. And the third is about the French retailer shops. Now still we have news have more than 6,000 French retailer shop can be sell the Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrency. But today there also have 10,000 retailer shop in France can be sell the Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrency. Very important news. So let's begin. The first things about this interesting formula. So today, some friends give me some news through the WeChat. They give me interesting formula is a future equal to the artificial intelligence plus the Internet of Things and plus big data and multiplied by the blockchain. This is, of course, it's only an idea of this friend, but also he told us the blockchain is very different from the AI model, big data, and the IoT, the Internet of Things, and even different from the quantum technology and biotechnology. Why are we talking about this? Because last time we have talking about other topic is about the first industrial revolution. Everybody knows the digital economic became earlier to our life. Many things became more and more digital. The digital economic is very different from the real economic. Because in the real economic, we can find the gas and some energy is very important in the real economic. But the digital is important things is a gas in the digital economic. So we can know the AI model, the big data, the Internet of Things all make so many digitals. The digitals is have a right. Belong to who? Belong to country? Belong to platform? Or belong to the person? Everybody know it need to belong to ourselves. So it need not to belong to the government. Can be belong to the platform. It should be belong to ourselves. So how to set up the decentralization system of the digital smart contract to make everything can integration together. So this is this in basic infrastructure is blockchain. So we're talking about in the digital economic, the blockchain is a very basic infrastructure for the future, for the first industry revolution. So this formula about the future equal to artificial intelligence plus Internet of Things plus big data and multiplied by blockchain is very interesting. Let's talk about other topic about the JP Morgan coin. These days the JP Morgan coin became a very big news because the JP Morgan is a so important bank of America. Perhaps not only American, a very international big banker. But even their CEO also talking about so many times they did not like the Bitcoin. we need to notice this. But finally, they think blockchain very important to the bank system, and they created its own cryptocurrency named GP coin. A very interesting things. Let's see some news. The JP Morgan to launch the first bank-backed cryptocurrency. It is finally here. JP Morgan launched the first bank cryptocurrency to transfer the payment business. CNBC report, the engineer of a financial institution created JP Coin, a digital token that it originally planned to be used for the instant transactions. It will be launched a test mode in the coming months. This is the first real-world used for digital coin by a large American bank. So anything that currently exists in votes has moved onto the blockchain. This would be the payment ledger for a transaction. The applications are frankly quite endless. Anything where you have a distributor ledger, have involved corporation or institute can be used this. This beside by the Robert Foraker, hand of the JP Morgan blockchain project. He also added the new instrument may have 3 areas for application. The first is for international payment for large corporation clients who are looking for the first solution than those that are available today. You know, the blockchain can be faster solution. The second is transaction of security. The bank tested a similar function on the blockchain during last year. And the third is the transfer service business to replace the dollar corporation held in subsidiary across the world. Interesting. So the 3 things can be used. First for international payment, a second for the transaction of security, a third for the treasury service. It is worth noting that JP Morgan previously imposed a ban on cryptocurrency purchase via the bank account. Also, the company's CEO, Jimmy Dimon, also have severely condemned Bitcoin, but later changed his view on cryptocurrency. Interesting things. And now let's talk about the third topic. The third topic is about the French retailer shops. Perhaps 1 month before, somebody told me, also gave me some news through YouTuber, and have more than 6,500 tobacco retailer shops in France can use Bitcoin, Ripple, and LTC, because this is very interesting, and the French government also very open idea to the cryptocurrency, and even the tobacco retailer shop can buy it. It's very interesting. But today we have other news that you can find 10,000 retailer shop in France will sell BTC, Ripple, LTC, Dust, and Ethereum. This is the news. The French crypto startup, the Digicoin, is expanding to over 10,000 points of sale all over France through a collaboration with Paris-based payment giant Ingenico, the very famous French-based payment giant Ingenico. According to the Daily Holiday, the crypto startup will offer prepared coupon that can be purchased in 3 available increment, being 20, 50, on $200 Europe dollar. The only things a customer need to do is to redeem the coupon. This is to go to Digicoin's website by using a security code where the user can convert it into one of the available cryptocurrency. Very interesting news. So today, this is the third topic for today's blockchain diary. Now, of course, we can find some other news. This news include, let's see some other news. For example, Visa and MasterCard to increase the fee for the mentioned. Good news for a crypto POS provider. Also, we can find some report the global blockchain engineer utility market will grow 60% by the 2024. Of course, you can find some other news about the Ethereum. What is Ethereum 2.0? We reveal it unclear, uncertain, yet promising future. Okay, let's see some thing about the market. Today's cryptocurrency market, I think it's good. It's good. The Bitcoin have raised 0.78%. The price is 3,595. The US have raised for 1.41%. The price is 2.79, and the ETH also raised for 1.67. And the price is 122.4. So I think it's a good market. Okay, this is our weekend, so we just want to say have a good weekend, and I hope you are happy and have a very good life. So thank you all.